Welcome to our in-depth tutorial on the Approvals module at Sciotrade. Here, we ensure that every financial action undergoes rigorous scrutiny before execution, enhancing your operational security and compliance. Let's dive into how you can set up and manage approvals effectively. In the world of finance, the right approvals can be the key to maintaining integrity and compliance. Our Approvals module allows you to configure triggers for account movements, transactions, or instructions, ensuring they undergo a thorough review process before they can be executed. Let's start by creating an approval template. This template defines the framework for the approval process. You'll give it a name, select the type, and designate who is responsible for managing the approval process. This could be based on specific policies within your organization or specialized rights assigned to certain users. Within each template, you can add multiple rules that define the conditions under which approvals are required. These rules are crucial as they determine the circumstances that trigger the approval process for an account movement, transaction, or instruction. Once your template is in place, the system automates the oversight. For example, if a transaction meets the criteria set out in your template, the approval process is triggered and the transaction is held pending until approval is granted. This ensures that all actions are vetted for compliance and correctness. Managing approvals is straightforward. When an approval is triggered, designated approvers receive a notification to review the details. They can approve or reject the request right from their dashboard, with all activities logged for audit purposes. The Approvals module is an essential tool for enforcing compliance and managing risk. By ensuring that every critical operation passes through a controlled approval process, you safeguard your operations against errors and enhance regulatory compliance. With the Approvals module from Sciotrade, you're not just executing transactions. You're ensuring each one is secure, compliant, and verified. Empower your team with the tools they need to operate with confidence. Ready to take control of your approval processes? Visit our website and see how our Approvals module can transform your financial operations.